Hi, I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Brooke, and today we're going to be reviewing products that you can get in your local drugstore.
Okay, so we're both estheticians, and we've both attended cosmetic science classes to learn how to decode and debunk product ingredients. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of get started and maybe give you our initial feedback on some products. So we'll start with this one.
So the first ingredient is water, okay.
It's kind of a gel. It has a pearlescent kind of look to it. Lathers and foams up.
Third ingredient on there is sodium lauryl sulfate.
So that's probably why you see that like foamy lather. Sodium lauryl sulfate causes that foaming effect, but it's not a good ingredient in your skincare products. It can definitely irritate the skin, especially if it's like that high up in the ingredient list. You know that it's the third ingredient. This would be very irritating for my skin since I'm more on the sensitive side.
It also has pegs in it, so that is going to be the
preservative system. A lot of skincare products have pegs. Yeah, a lot of people try and stay away from them.
And
Parabens, fragrance,
yep.
Parabens also a preservative. They can be very irritating to somebody's skin as well. I stay away from parabens. Fragrance, stay away from synthetic fragrance. I mean, if it's more of like an essential oil fragrance in a product, like I'm fine with that. It smells nice, but kind of those synthetic fragrance smells, which you can smell, it smells fake. It kind of like gives me a headache. Like, I don't like it.
So this is $8.99 at the drugstore. That is a good price, but for the effect that you're gonna get on your skin, I don't necessarily think,
And I love how it says like hypoallergenic.
I know.
It's like hypoallergenic, but there's fragrance and parabens and sulfates and things that are definitely not hypoallergenic in my opinion.
Yes. What is it called? A lot of those things are like endocrine disruptors.
Right, yeah.
They kind of
mess with your hormones.
Right. They affect your like natural body's chemistry, and that's why a lot of people want to stay away from them.
I don't know what DMDM. New word HYDA.
Oh yeah, I see it. Antimicrobial formaldehyde.
Lovely.
It's a formaldehyde releasing preservative.
Yeah. I can't believe I put that on my skin just now. Yuck. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, all of those types of preservatives are going to be formaldehyde releasing, and that's why you really want to avoid them in your skincare, because you don't want that type of preservative on your skin. It just can be, toxic over long periods of use, even if it is only $9.
So, I think that pretty much sums it up. I mean, the pros is it's 6.7 fluid ounces. That's a big bottle. You're getting a lot of cleanser for super cheap, but I mean, it can definitely irritate the skin. It can cause redness, patchiness. Some people can get hives from some of those ingredients that we had talked about.
Definitely not going to protect your barrier on top of your skin.
I would opt for something else.
Yep. What's BHT?
I've heard of that. That's in a lot of things, but I don't.
Butylated hydroxytoluene. It's a preservative as well. Chemically derived. Household uses for soap. So yeah, this is just basically going to strip your skin of every single oil, even like the good oils that you want on your skin.
So it's interesting because you look at this one, it says, this is soap free. It's, advertised as soap free, but this one is advertised as, fragrance free. And
so this is trying to be a more natural cleanser.
No harsh detergents, dyes, hardeners. Recommended for all sensitive skin. But yeah, this has like soap, which is going to strip your skin and then also would make you more on the sensitive side. So this one is the least expensive. It's $3.29. It's advertised as dermatologist recommended, fragrance free. Let's see, pure and gentle, hypoallergenic, no harsh detergents, dyes, or hardeners.
So definitely can create a little bit of dryness and sensitivity on the skin, even with all that being said. It does have the sodium phthalate in it, which is basically soap that you'll find in your dish detergent. So it's definitely going to be stripping your skin of all the natural oils that you do want to retain when you cleanse your skin, to protect it from, foreign invaders, from the environment. It just has a lot of other ingredients that maybe are going to cause sensitivity on your skin other than necessarily a synthetic fragrance.
If you are going to use this one, you're not going to listen to anything. If you're going to use this one, make sure that you're not just taking the bar and wipe it on your face with your makeup and any bacteria, and then just putting it in your shower.
Yeah.
Like the way that you would use this, if you are going to use this, the best way would be to use a washcloth, put the soap on it, create a little bit of a sud, and then wash your face so that you're not using the bar directly on your face. All right, so this one, brightening cream cleanser, advanced tone perfecting, $8.99. It says they can help even texture.
Leave skin feeling smooth.
Yeah, so it has gentle exfoliators in there, which this.
Is it like a bead or something?
It's like a very creamy, thin cleanser with tiny little bits of exfoliator in there.
Third ingredient is petrolatum, so just environmentally, that's not the best type of ingredient you want to be finding in your skincare. It's also going to be a little more clogging for more of a oily or easily congested skin type.
Fragrance,
sulfates again, that will strip your skin.
I don't like the feel of the consistency of this one, and it kind of leaves this residue.
Yeah.
I don't know if that would give you a really good clean either, because it's not really,
It's more of a creamy cleanser.
not in a good way.
Yeah.
I mean, out of the three, the ingredient wise, I know I'd probably say this one, but feeling it, I wouldn't use it. I would probably go with this one, as far as feel wise, but the ingredients are terrible in that one.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think the only good ingredient in this is the soybean protein, and it's the last ingredient before the minerals that are creating the color and the pearlescence of the product.
I think using this on a daily, or even twice a day, I think that would be a little too irritating on the skin because it has those little bits of, I don't even know what it is in there.
That's causing the grit.
Right, yeah, I think that would be, if you're on the sensitive side, that's not going to feel good on your skin.
Right. You don't want to be physically exfoliating twice a day.
Yeah.
That definitely can cause sensitivity and barrier damage and make your skin very sensitive to other products that may be more beneficial to you.
And depending on what the exfoliator is in there, it could be, if it's not like a sphere, it could be creating little micro tears in the skin. If it's more of a jagged ingredient, I'm not sure which one that is. Oh, this one also has sodium lauryl sulfate, which I didn't see before. Yeah, it's in the middle. So. Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll move on. We are a little biased because we did formulate this one ourselves, but this is a Facialworks Power Cleanser. This is good for, pretty much all skin types.
Yeah.
I couldn't
My
tell
favorite.
You, I couldn't tell you something that it wasn't good
cleanser.
for. It has, a low percentage of mandelic acid in it. That's going to give you a little bit of exfoliation. It has grapefruit peel, oil, kumquat extract, red tea, which is a great antioxidant, seaweed, and then it has coconut oil as well. So there's no fragrance, there's no parabens, there's no sulfates. It's not going to be
dyes.
Yes, no dyes. It's not going to be irritating to the skin, but it has that grapefruit peel oil that's going to give you a nice grapefruit scent to it. It has a little bit of, it's a gel consistency and kind of has a little bit of a lather to it. Mm-hmm. It's not going to give you that lather that you're going to get with sodium lauryl sulfate. That's going to give you a very foamy lather, but it still foams up quite a bit and it's very nice.
Right. And it leaves your skin feeling soft. It's not going to strip all the oils. And it's a natural surfactant with the hydrogenated coconut oil as opposed to what we're seeing in all of these, which is the soap and the bar, and then these ones which is using the sodium lauryl sulfate to give you that So this is a natural surfactant.
Sometimes when you wash your face and it's just like it feels really tight and dry afterwards, that's from like either like a soap or a sodium lauryl sulfate, where this you're not going to have that
experience any of that.
Yeah.
And you're getting actual antioxidants into your skin as opposed to just using a soap. You're getting, you know, vitamins and antioxidants right from the first step of cleansing, and as you move on with your other steps, you're just layering the antioxidants.
Nice. And then lastly, why don't you just go over, and plus, like, we don't know what, you know, these people do in their labs and stuff, but we do. Like, we've been to the lab, we know that it's formulated with good stuff in America, not on animals, and we would do that for a purpose.
Okay. So I couldn't tell you how or where these are formulated. I don't know if it says on here. I look at these. They don't have, like on ours, if you look at it, you know, we have an American flag. It says manufactured in the United States. Like the little bunny that is, you know, not tested on animals. I'm not sure. I mean, ours are gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And then there's also this little icon on there that says, you know, there's a little 12 next to it so that you know it's good for 12 months after you open the bottle. I don't see any of that on these, so I don't know if there's no expiration date, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Who knows how long that's been sitting there. These ones do have an expiration date. Some of the products do, some of them don't, but this is 2021. If something's produced in mass quantity, you don't know how long it's taken to actually get to the shelf and when you're going to buy it, and the products and ingredients could have turned, like they could be inactive, so you don't actually know like if what you're putting on your skin is going to create an adverse reaction.
So to review, I think it's really important to just remember to always look at the ingredient list on the products that you're buying, make sure that you're buying from a company that you trust and that you know whatever you're putting on your skin is something that you would be willing to put on your children's skin or give to a family member or a friend, and you would feel perfectly safe with them using it. I feel like that's always just a true test of if you would give it to someone you really love, then you would use it yourself.
And there's a lot of resources out there that you can also use yourself. You can just Google certain ingredients if you don't know what they are, just to see, okay, why is this in my skincare? Is this necessary? What is it doing? To educate yourself.
So thanks for watching and following our reviews of these products. If you'd like to see more videos like this or see any other sort of reviews, leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.